Yo. We're glad to have you guys in this great space. We are your hosts,
Mandy,
Candace.
I'm Brandon. Thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, getting the videos out there on a daily basis. We do genuinely appreciate the love and support from the bottom of our hearts. Feliz Navidad. Cumpleaños feliz. Feliz cumpleaños.
Feliz
Yeah.
los días de los
Cinco de Mayo.
Independencia.
Cinco de Mayo. Yeah.
Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Happy belated Independence Day.
Big 63, you don't
63.
know. Almost retired. You don't know.
Yeah.
63.
Almost retired. Imagine me 63.
Can't imagine it.
Can't imagine I'm not 63.
Okay. Yeah, so we had Independence weekend.
Yeah.
Lots of celebration for our little island here.
Yeah.
And the Caribbean
as
well, because emancipation really was more regional thing.
Yeah.
Also, a certain percentage of you guys are not subscribed to this great space. You need to subscribe to this great space.
Why would you all be like that?
Guys need to subscribe. I'll put the thing up there. I will say it from now on. A certain percentage of you guys have not subscribed to this great space. Shame on you. Shame.
Alright, thanks guys for tuning in nonetheless. We appreciate all the love and the support and the likes and the shares and the follows. Thank you for rocking with us this far. This is our birthday month as well. Our podcast is going to turn 2 at the end of this month.
She's been a toddler.
Yeah,
wow.
she's growing. Shout out to her. So anyways, today is one of our little our fun yap sessions.
Yep.
There's some games.
So, it's just one game.
There's a game. Some Bible trivia.
We're gonna run through some Bible trivia.
You can play it or you have to answer them?
I cannot play.
That's me. I mean, it's Candace and
Yes.
we see we can take it on. And so that's some Bible games. Some question and answer.
And thank you guys for the birthday wishes as well. Some of you guys would have privately messaged me from the page. Big up on yourself. All right, let's get into it.
The verse of the day.
Oh yeah.
The verse of the day is taken from Romans 5 verse 8. But God demonstrates his own love for us in this: while we were still sinners, Christ died for us.
Amen.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
All right. So first one.
All right. First round.
What did God use to speak to Balaam?
Donkey.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it was a donkey. it was a donkey. Yeah. All right, next one.
This is taken from Revelations 1 verse 9. Which apostle was exiled to the island of Patmos?
John. You get that?
Okay.
Sure. Me get it. Yeah.
What was the name of the man who replaced Judas as an apostle?
Bartholomew. Bartholomew.
I know, like Thaddeus or something like that. One of them.
Theophilus.
It's
Or is it Cornelius?
No.
It's in there. It's in there.
And Thomas?
No.
Thomas. Philemon.
No.
That's
Thigh.
I know, but it says it too.
Thigh as in
thigh.
part of the body.
Thile.
Exit stage right. Exit stage left.
I don't know who it is.
Who's it?
Okay, it's Matthias.
Matthias.
I'm so sorry.
I remember Judas, he joined the fray after a while. Another Judas, different name.
There is another Judas, not Iscariot. Yeah. Imagine having to walk around and tell people, hey, my name is Judas. Not that one.
I'm not Iscariot.
Not that one.
Alright, this one says, who stole idols from her father and hid them under a camel saddle?
Rebecca?
It's an R name.
Rachel.
Yes.
Rachel. Awesome.
Alright. What man lived in the tombs and cut himself with stones?
The possessed man.
Yeah.
The possessed man, yeah. Yeah, possessed man.
He had a name?
No, he just
no. Okay.
I call him possessed man, you call him Legion man.
It's the same.
Yeah,
demon possessed guy.
Yeah, demon possessed guy, yeah.
Alright. These ones are pretty easy to me. Who was King David's great grandmother?
Great grandmother?
You mean like lineage?
Is that supposed to like Rahab?
I don't.
It's an R name.
Rachel? Rebecca?
Ruth?
Yes.
Is Ruth? How do you say Rehoboam? I say Rehoboam. I say brother.
It's not a girl.
God.
I don't think that's a girl.
Okay. Who interpreted King Nebuchadnezzar's dreams?
Daniel.
Okay. What river did Naaman dip in to
Jordan.
heal? Okay. Who slept at the feet of Boaz?
Ruth.
I did Ruth. I never.
No.
Mordecai.
No.
Who was Mordecai again? Esther.
Her cousin.
Esther.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Please. Okay. What Old Testament king consulted a witch for advice?
Saul. Mama said Samuel.
What is the name of the servant girl who answered the door when Peter escaped prison? You know, so what do you learn this?
Yeah.
Think of a Jamaican female gospel singer.
It's not Sandra.
No, me thinking Petra.
I know Petra.
Is it Petra?
Rhoda?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, your name was Rhoda? Oh, big up Rhoda, you know.
Okay. Who helped Jesus carry his cross?
Simon?
Yes, Simon.
Who said with him bright self, "Am I my brother's keeper"?
Cain?
Yeah. When God asked him, remember that day?
I always mix them up.
Am I my brother's keeper?
I always mix
That's such a rude thing to say to God.
I'm gonna say Nicodemus, you know.
Here you know.
Now come to things we see in the New Testament. I'm gonna say Nicodemus.
Cain was really fresh. He did fresh bad and out of the. Your mother asked you where your brother day?
Come on, brothers.
Must fear watching the world.
And that me I say, like him I say.
I'm tired of hearing about my
Okay. What was the name of the demon Jesus cast out of the man into the pigs?
Legion.
Who was the first king of Israel?
Saul.
Okay. Yeah, it was Saul.
Boom. Who wrote the most books in the New Testament?
Paul.
How much?
Wait.
I'm right. First and Second Corinthians.
All of the first and second them, except for Peter and John.
Right Romans. I'm right Romans. First and Second Corinthians. First and Second to look.
All right.
All right. So he wrote First and Second Corinthians, Romans. Three that. First Thessalonians have 3. Thessalonians has 3.
I think so.
No, it's 2.
That's 5.
You said Colossians?
You mean Colossians, in the Ephesians,
Galatians.
in the Galatians.
You said First and Second Timothy?
No, yeah, First and Second Timothy.
That's like we're at 9, 10?
14, 19. What years old?
13.
13?
Almost there.
Pretty close.
Alright. What was the name of Moses' sister?
Miriam.
Who hid 2 Israelite spies on her roof?
Rahab, the prostitute.
You not get extra marks for that.
Occupation counts.
You not get extra marks for that.
Occupation counts.
Which book of the Bible has the most chapters?
Psalms.
How much?
150.
Okay.
Exactly.
What's the name of the high priest who put Jesus on trial?
Well, I was supposed to Melchizedek.
High priest.
It's not Caiaphas.
Yes.
Caiaphas?
Okay.
I remember Melchizedek, you know, that was from
Melchizedek.
Yeah, that's from which book again?
That's like the old
Old Testament. Yeah, Melchizedek.
Okay. What was the name of Abraham's second wife?
Hagar?
That was a side piece.
She was a servant.
You
Yeah.
remember that second wife?
I'm so sorry to that lady. I don't know her.
If it's not serious, we didn't.
I did not. I'm sorry.
All right. So her name is Keturah.
Oh, I know that one.
Sorry.
I know Keturah.
Sorry, it's that lady.
Which disciple was a tax collector?
Matthew.
How old was Methuselah when he died?
960 something.
960 what?
3?
No.
2?
No.
7.
1?
No.
9.
Yeah, 69, yeah.
Okay. Who prophesied that Jesus would be born in Bethlehem?
Oh, what's his face?
Is it Isaiah? Is it John the Baptist?
No.
Who else talked about Jesus being born?
Jeremiah?
No, think Old Testament, coming down in the Old Testament.
Like into the
David?
The Obadiahs and the Nahums?
Yeah.
Zachariah?
No.
I don't know. Amos?
I know it's not Zephaniah.
No, it's Micah.
Micah
so cold with it?
Sorry, Micah.
Micah 5 verse 2.
Okay.
Okay. What tribe was Paul from?
The Tarsus. Benjamin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Benjamin, yeah. One of them.
Okay. What is the longest verse in the Bible?
Not sure.
Psalms 119 verse 1.
Esther 8 verse 9.
Hmm.
Psalm 119 will be longest chapter.
Mm-hmm.
Who was the only female judge of Israel?
Deborah.
Mm-hmm.
Debbie.
Which king went mad and lived like an animal for 7 years?
Nebuchadnezzar.
Yeah.
I remember that in Daniel. Yeah, that was a part of the dream.
The dream, yes.
Yeah.
Daniel 4.
Yeah, it was a part of the dream.
Mm-hmm. What prophet had a vision of a valley of dry bones?
Daniel.
No.
Jeremiah.
No.
Ezekiel, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, Ezekiel. I've read Ezekiel more now once. I remember.
All right.
I remember.
Who was the left-handed judge who killed a king by stabbing him in the belly? This I also just
Is that Gideon?
Judges. No.
Judges.
Is it start with N?
No. E.
E. Ooh, yeah, I just read that the other day actually.
Alright, so his name is Ehud.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. This one is easy. Who was the first person to see Jesus after he rose from the dead?
Peter.
No. Martha?
No.
Mary?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mary Magdalene. Who were the only two people who didn't die in the Bible?
Elijah and Moses.
No.
Moses did dead, bro.
Moses. There's another E name.
Elijah. Yeah, we said Elijah.
And no.
Another E name. Think of it's a name sounding like a person.
Eunuch.
Yes.
Was it Eunuch? Was it Enoch like a thing?
Was it the eunuch?
Yes, Enoch.
Was it
Enoch?
Enoch.
Oh, Enoch. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
But I was giving her
That's
the hint, so she said the hint.
That's all I said. Philip? Didn't Philip preach to eunuch?
Yeah, Philip
Yes,
preached
he
to
did.
Eunuch.
Okay,
Yeah,
there was just there was an older guy in the Old Testament.
Enoch.
Was also Enoch.
Yeah,
Right.
Enoch, yeah.
Enoch.
All right.
Enoch. Yeah.
What was the first miracle in the Bible?
Water to wine?
Yes.
At the wedding? Yeah.
All right. What Old Testament book never mentions the name of God?
Esther? Ruth.
No, it's Esther.
Esther. Yeah.
All right. What's the name of the man who fell asleep during Paul's sermon and fell out the window?
I don't know, but I did the survival study.
I don't know.
I don't know his name, but I did the survival study.
I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's Eutychus or something like
Yeah.
that. From Acts.
Yeah.
Which book comes right after Proverbs?
Right
Job.
after Song of Solomon.
A Job come after Song of Solomon?
It's no, that's before. It's either Song of Solomon or Ecclesiastes.
It's Ecclesiastes.
Yeah, one of the two.
Yeah.
Solomon keeps his bunch real close.
Who denied Jesus 3 times before the
Peter.
rooster crowed?
Peter.
Alright. Which Old Testament character was known for his colorful coat?
Joseph.
Alright. Who carried Paul's letters to the Roman church? Just saying this for the end of the
Yeah, Barnabas.
Think
Barnabas.
friends.
Friends? Timothy?
No, think friends as in the
Phoebe.
show. Yes. Okay. What 2 books of the Bible were written by a doctor?
Acts
Luke.
and Luke.
Yeah, Acts and Luke.
Okay. Which king made a law that no one could pray to any
Daniel.
god
Nebuchadnezzar.
or man except for him for 30 days?
Nebuchadnezzar.
No.
Nicodemus.
No.
Nicodemus.
Which king made a law that
Herod?
no one could pray to any god or man
What's
except
his name?
him for 30 days?
Xerxes.
No.
Xerxes in the Bible, but what's his name again?
I'm sorry, I don't remember.
It's not he, man.
It starts with D.
D.
Darius.
Darius.
Yeah.
Darius.
Okay. Who were the 2 midwives who saved the Hebrew babies in Egypt?
Miriam.
No.
No. Was it their mother though?
Their names are. I don't know if you guys
Alright.
will be getting
Yeah,
it.
okay.
Not by my tongue feet.
Shifra,
Ephraim.
and Puah.
Okay.
That's in Exodus 1 verses 15 to
Pick up
17.
them. And then
Okay. Who had a vision of 4 creatures with wheels full of eyes?
Ezekiel.
Yes.
I'll never forget reading it.
Yeah, that sounded wild to me.
These kids are wild.
That's what they
Your
always have the
imagination.
AI
Yes.
bring up the angels
Yeah,
look
the
like.
angels
That's
look
what they
like.
actually look like.
That's crazy, brother. I see that. I am.
Yeah.
That's why they always say, "Don't be afraid."
No, but that's that's yeah. That's why I
Don't
said
be
them,
afraid.
and that's why I think the media it shows angels looking like that,
Mhm.
and
Not to scare you.
No, that's how the devil will appear. That's why you won't know.
Mm.
You see me? That's why you.
Like,
That's why you're not gonna know.
sprinkle
Because the
multiple
devil
children.
appears as an angel of light. But the
Shoot and play
but
and
angels actually
playing
look like
the harp and has a halo over his head.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get trapped.
All right. Our last set of questions. Which prophet was taken up to heaven in a whirlwind?
Elijah.
Who was the king
What
of
about chariots?
Salem and priest of God Most High that blessed Abraham?
But I don't know.
You guys have been saying his name a few times.
Melchizedek?
Yes.
Melchizedek.
Okay. What was Paul's original name before conversion?
Saul of Tarsus.
Which disciple is known as doubtful?
Thomas.
What Old Testament character married a prostitute because God
Hosea?
told him to?
Yeah, Hosea.
What Old Testament king had a dream about a giant statue made of different materials? We've been saying
Is that
his
the
name.
Babylon
Nebuchadnezzar?
man?
Yes.
Oh.
Nebuchadnezzar, yeah.
Yeah.
What did God use to feed the Israelites in the wilderness?
Manna.
I know.
Manna and quail.
Quail?
Yeah,
Yes.
quail.
Who wrote most of the book of Proverbs?
Solomon.
And some other persons.
Solomon.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it said.
What did Elisha throw into a spring to purify it with water?
It's not
Coat.
axe head.
Coat.
No.
Foot.
No.
It's not axe head.
Think of something you used to taste up the pot.
Salt.
Okay. What New Testament character died after lying about how much money they give to the
Ananias and
church?
Sapphira. Strike them down.
Which king saw the writing on the wall?
Nebuchadnezzar.
No.
Darius.
Same Daniel though.
Yeah, I know, but it was not Nebuchadnezzar, not Darius. Which one then?
Starts with a B.
Barian.
Not sure.
I'm not saying Bartholomew.
No.
That's a New Testament name.
No.
I'm not sure.
Belshazzar.
Belshazzar.
Oh,
Makes sense.
Who tore his clothes and wept after finding the book of law in the temple? This is a
David.
king. No.
Hezekiah.
Starts with a J.
Jotham.
No.
Jotham.
No.
Josiah. I'm trying to remember all the J's.
It's like him said twice. I'm like, no.
No, yeah, Jeroboam.
Who? It's just Josiah.
Josiah. Oh, somebody right? Alright, cool.
Okay. What man did Jesus raise from the dead after 4
Lazarus.
days? All right. Final set for true now. Okay. Which book of the Bible does not mention sin, God, or prayer?
Esther.
No. This one could be
Ruth?
No.
Philemon.
Think
Jude.
she's clothed with dignity.
Proverbs.
Song of Solomon.
Yes.
Oh.
I was trying not to give it away, but anyways,
Well, yeah.
okay. Who escaped from prison with the help of an earthquake?
Paul.
Silas.
Which prophet confronted King David about his sin with
Nathan.
Bathsheba?
Nathan.
What did Aaron's rod do to prove his leadership?
To turn a snake.
No.
Aaron's rod.
Yes. This is in Numbers.
Healed.
No. It's blossomed and turned
Oh
into
yes, yeah. It
produce
blossomed,
almonds.
Oh.
Okay.
Sure.
Which apostle was known as the beloved disciple?
John.
John, I don't remember now.
What was the name of the first Christian martyr?
Stephen.
Okay, what kind of tree did Zacchaeus climb to see
Sycamore.
Jesus?
Sycamore.
Okay.
More
What was the name of Moses' father-in-law?
Jethro.
All right.
I reached 20 now.
Reach 20?
Stop here. Yeah, follow. What is your practice?
Yeah.
When you can knock them off, guys. What 10 of them?
7:30 now.
Okay. Who was the king of Judea when Jesus was born?
Herod.
Which New Testament writer was also a physician?
Luke.
What's the name of Abraham's brother who stayed in Haran?
Lot.
No.
Terah?
No.
Safe?
No.
No.
Say it.
Pass.
Nahor.
Nahor.
Okay. Who said, though he slay me, yet will
Jeremiah.
I trust
Job.
A school challenge quiz?
Yeah, Job. Job.
Okay. Who reigned as queen before Esther? V. Name starts with a V.
Victoria.
No, sir.
V?
Mhm.
Vera?
No. Vashti.
Ooh, yeah.
What king conquered Jerusalem and carried Judah into captivity?
Nebuchadnezzar.
Mhm.
Yeah, I remember that.
What apostle had a vision of a sheet with unclean animals?
Paul. Peter?
Isaiah.
John?
Peter.
All right. Who was the rich man that buried Jesus in his own tomb?
Simon?
No.
Yes, name?
No. J.
John?
No.
Joseph?
Yes. Joseph of Arimathea.
Mm-hmm.
All right, last one. What was the name of the pool where Jesus healed the man?
Bethesda.
Cool.
All right, guys. So
say a word.
comment below how many you got right. Comment below how many you got wrong, and comment below how many you didn't know. It's okay. It's just Bible trivia. The key is application of the Word of God. All right. So thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, getting the videos out there. Jesus Christ, the way, the truth, and the life. Get to know Him today. If you don't know Him,
You're moving mad.
moving mad, bro. Thank you guys all for watching this.
Grace, peace.
Bye, guys.
Bye.